What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. Find the missing consecutive whole number denominators that make the following equation true. So, of course, we have this given inequality at the top, which just says that green is the biggest, blue is the middle, and red is the smallest. And again, consecutive means they are one after another, one apart. So, for example, it could be 23, 24, 25, etc. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play and I'll give you the explanation. So now what you could do algebraically if you wanted to is you could set variables to each of these and say this is x, this would be x plus 1, right? And this would be x plus 2 because the green is the largest, and again, consecutive means they are all one apart. Then you could plop those in here and create an equation and solve. But this would create a third degree polynomial equation, which is going to definitely take some algebra to solve. But instead of doing that, we could instead try a little guess and check. And I mean, we know right off the bat that the numbers on the denominators are probably not going to be that big, because imagine if we had like 20, 21, and 22. These are all going to be pretty small fractions, and there's no way that the final number is going to be greater than 1 with those large denominators. So we know they're going to be relatively small. I'd say somewhere between 1 and 10. So if you start running through some different options in that zone, you're probably going to get to the answer. So I'll give you one quick example. We could have 1, 2, and 3, but this would then be 1 plus 1 plus 1, which would be 3, way too big. So one quick clue about what these denominators might have to be is that they all need to have a common denominator of 60. So 1, 2, and 3 do all have a common denominator of 60. It's not the least common denominator, but they do have a common denominator of 60. 2, 3, and 4 also have a common denominator of 60. However, if you add these fractions up, it will be too big. 3, 4, and 5 also go into 60, but again, this is going to be too big as well. Next, we get to 4, 5, and 6, and this is going to be the winner. I'm going to show you why. So if we get common denominators of 60, I'm going to multiply this one by 15 over 15, so we get 15 over 60. Next, I'm going to multiply this one by 12 over 12, and we get 24 over 60. Last but not least, we're going to multiply this one by 10 over 10, and we get 30 over 60. Now, if we add these up, 15 plus 24 is 39, plus 30 is indeed 69. We keep that common denominator of 60, and that gives us 60 over 69, which means red is 4, blue is 5, green is 6. That's how you do it. Done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining, and I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.